really, this is a very great song. I love this song.
Wonderful.
No, actually someone said that the Royal Enfield is the Indian company.
It is an Indian company.
The Bullet is too powerful. For this road is amazing. I think the Bullet.
Right.
Wow. So this is the government property or maybe some private property?
The road is government property.
No, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
There is.
Probably private. Not sure.
Wow. So you can buy a land here?
Yes.
It's too costly.
It depends on where it is. I think in this area it's not costly.
How much? So per square feet, how much? What do you think here?
I really don't know.
Then any guess?
I think there was once an offer where in the place where I live to buy like forest for 50 euros per square meter. And I told my mom, hey, let's buy some forest. I was a little kid, I wanted to have my own forest, yeah? But we didn't do it. Yeah. Because we were afraid.
Why afraid?
So cool. I mean, if you buy forest, you have to deal with it. But there are lots of rules for that. I mean, it's a normal process. Like, people don't want you to. They wanted to make it possible for you to build houses, but also you can't just build your house anywhere.
I was thinking you can make, because that properties belongs to you, right? The garden and your house. You can make.
I mean, it belongs to you, but this only means that you can, that a property belongs to you. The only thing that it means is that you are allowed to keep other people from entering it, except the police or someone.
Okay.
So that's the only thing, really. Many other things are not allowed.
So police can enter at your house?
If they have,
Any doubt?
No, they have to have paper from the judge,
Okay.
which says you can enter this house and stuff like that. But then you can't allow. Then you have to let them in.